Hey guys, that guy's still over there. Your dead rag's pretty cool. I got one up ahead. I'm not sure if it's friendly or not. I can just see him through the clearing to the left of that tree. Like right through the clearing. There's like one tree that's furthest out. Oh, thank you. Ooh, I see movement. It's the juggernaut. The juggernaut's ahead of us. Juggernaut's dead ahead. He's right here.
Same medic rules. Okay, medic. 1 minute. If you get hit by a BB while getting medic, that restarts the medic time. Okay. Medic. Blue medic. Tag him, boys.
Nice. You're on blue team. Or wait, does it count or?
Yeah, I guess once you tap him. It's just blue team.
Okay, cool.
And you're back up then.
All right.
Cool. Sorry, I think I'm just so used to calling hit. I hit the stock and I heard a ring.
No worries.
I'll let you call it tomorrow.
I mean, like, it'll be.
Yeah,
Oh, it's
That
distinct.
did sound like a bell pepper.
All right.
Blue team has captured the juggernaut.
Hey, we got the juggernaut. Cody, do you need medic? We have the juggernaut. We have the juggernaut. We're in the bog.
I guess you guys know we're there.
Push up. Let's go, Jug.
Yeah. I was just looking around and shooting, and then I see a ghillie shoot. I'm like, oh, wait a second. I like was shooting at you right above your head trying to get
Blue
the
team
barrel.
has juggernaut. Can you confirm? Confirm.
Hit. Great. Blue medic! Blue medic!
Oh, we're dead. Hey, we're dead.
Time is 3:52.
Blue team, call out.
Blue team.
Dead man walking.
Green dead walking!
Hey, we're good to move up, Jug. We're good to move up. I just cleared it out. Come on.
So, if you're capturing him and he wasn't yours before, he's up instantly. But if he's yours and you capture him through two, blue team!
Blue team, blue.
So that way they can't just be behind you and just keep tapping you.